everyone, it's Crystal Adamo here over at Remax Rocky-View Real Estate and the Crystal Adamo team. Today I'm really happy to show you a great buy level located in the community of Airdrie, Meadows. This home has seen many updates through the years, including new windows, shingles, the kitchen has been resurfaced, as well as flooring and lighting in the upper levels. It features 2 bedrooms up, a full bathroom, and the basement is almost a raw canvas so that you can do your own development. It comes with RV parking and a double detached garage. It's priced affordably, and I look forward to showing it to you, and let's work a deal.